name is Sarah Breitlander, and my husband and I are the owners of KRAIN Luxury Real Estate with 4 offices located throughout the Guanacaste region of Costa Rica. Today I want to share with you one of our very special listings located in the Mar Vista Development in Playa Flamingo. I love the Mar Vista Development because it offers luxurious single-family homes with stunning ocean views. It's a prestigious gated community with ample amenities, and it's only a 7-minute drive to 7 gorgeous beaches. And I wanted to show you this home because this is your unique opportunity to own an A+ ocean view home within this community, while at the same time enjoying all of the land, privacy, and the opportunity to enjoy the lush gardens that the current owners took years to cultivate. So join me today and welcome to the Happy Garden of Eden house. This home has 3 bedrooms, each of which have their own unobstructed ocean view and their own ensuite baths. Each of the baths features custom glass tile and travertine trim throughout. They also feature floating cabinets with undermount lighting, creating a peaceful ambience. The master bath features double showers, a jacuzzi tub, and even a flat screen TV so that you can watch your favorite shows while soaking in the tub.
Just trust me.
The upgraded sliding glass doors open to the beautiful terrace with custom travertine, an impressive 60-foot multi-leveled pool, and jaw-dropping views of the gardens, Loros Island, and the Pacific Ocean. Due to the house's smart design, the owner can actually live at the home in the custom lock-off apartment while renting out the main home. That's because the 3rd bedroom is located on the 2nd floor and can be connected to the house, or with a simple lock-off door, can be separated from the house and accessed via its own private entry. This home is built upon a large estate, so you don't have to worry about privacy. In fact, no other houses can be seen from this home. And you have the beautiful garden. Mar Vista is also home to the famous Gracia restaurant, which offers exceptional dining, dramatic ocean views, sunsets, and a pool and bar for lounging and relaxing. The La Paz Community School rests in the valley of this development, and many families are buying and building homes in this community as a result. This home is located within a 7-minute drive to the new $50 million Flamingo Marina, which is currently under construction. And my buyers are excited to be able to be near their boat and to see all of the entertainment, value, and nightlife that a high-end marina can bring to the community. Thank you for joining me on this tour today. Remember, I am here to answer all questions you may have about purchasing, relocating, and even helping to manage your piece of paradise. Again, my name is Sarah Breitlander, and I would love to be your luxury real estate agent here in Costa Rica. Feel free to reach out to me at info@kraincostarica.com or on our toll-free number, 1-866-994-9163. Thank you, and Pura Vida.